Okay, so we're gonna use the box method. If you watched the introductory video, you saw that based on the problem, you put the X in a certain place in the box. But we're gonna use that same box method. I'm just gonna put it over here on the side. And remember, it's gonna be part, whole, percent, and 100. You remember, I already showed in the introduction where you place everything, but let's go over it again. We have our box. Now, first thing we're going to pull out is the fact that 75%. The percent goes in the upper right-hand corner, so 75 goes there. Then we're going to do of 16. Of always relates to the whole, so we're going to put 16 right here. 100 always goes down in the bottom right corner, and so then we have just this left over, which is the part, and obviously that's what we're looking for. What is 75% of 16? So we go like that. Now, what we're going to do, let's use a different color, is simply take and multiply the two numbers across from each other and then divide that by 100. I'm going to show you a shortcut on division for 100, but we're going to multiply these two numbers times each other. So we'll go 75 times 16. 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. I always like an X on the next column down for my placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. We add this up, 0 plus nothing is 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Add, or put down the 0, carry 1. 4 times 7 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Now, our answer, 16 times 75 is 1200, and we're going to divide that by 100. Now, rather than actually doing the division problem, anytime you divide by 100, you take your decimal place, or your decimal point, and move it 2 places to the left. Now you say, well, there's no decimal point. Right. Every whole number has a decimal point right here. It's invisible. We just don't use it or put it in because we don't need it. If we needed it, if there was more, we'd put it in. But every whole number has a decimal point right there. And we're just simply going to move that invisible decimal point over 2 places. So every whole number has a decimal point right here. It's just invisible. We don't put it in because we don't need it. Now, all we're going to do is move that 2 places to the left, and our answer is 12. So right here, 12 is 75% of 16.